guys, how's it going? I just thought, like, I'm not really in a rush to get to what I got to do. I can catch up when I get home. So, Chinese 372 gets a genuine carb. It's not the brand new one I was hoping to put on it, but it's the one I've been using in the bum rag. The Australian version of the 372 clone. Plastic clamp. Now I've, what do you call it? Disturbed the seal. Although it's not too bad, it's not too bad. Okay. I've got a T15 Torx because I can't find my 3mm T handle. I've got a fair idea where it is now because of where I put this saw together. It's probably still sitting there. So hopefully you can kind of see what I'm doing. I'm going to try and do this with taking as least off it as I can. Yeah. So sometimes you can get away with sliding the carb straight out. You got to pull the bolts out like that and then lift the carb straight out. There you have it, straight out. The genuine one, straight in. What I like to do is put the impulse on, fuel hose, it's not the impulse hose that came on the saw or with the kit, it's a piece that I got that I had at home. It doesn't, when it gets hot it doesn't expand. So now we've just got to hope that the bolts go in. There we go. What should do is Pharmatech bolts to Pharmatech clamp. I've got to get some more of these clamps because every other saw I have, except for the 52mm extra big bore 365, I think that has a metal clamp and every other one has plastic. Righto, we're hooked up, except for the choke. Choke's in. Genuine carb, still should be tuned to the last saw. Oh, I flattered it because the kill switch was off. Instantly better. I don't know, these Chinese carbs. Even the barb, the inlet barb's different. It's got a, I don't know, you'd think they'd be getting better with them because they're starting to laser the numbers into them. I may as well leave these rolling, put the top cover back on. Now my only other concern is this genuine carb is rich. I wonder how it'll go on a stock saw, you know. The last time I ran the bum rag, I wound the Hi-Jet all the way in and it was still 4-stroking. But it wouldn't cut. Didn't have the power, so it's still tuned to that ported bum rag cylinder with, can't remember which muffler it had on it. I think this big single piped muffler in it. There's a bit of fines in there. It's not good. It's a genuine filter, just not a genuine elbow. Okay, I think I don't know whether to put a .24 on it. I better. We've been doing 24 on the saw since we've been. What's in that? Oh, filming it, haven't we? So I better chuck the 24 back on it. I've opened up the holes. I don't think I've ran it since then, have I? It's time to flip it. So I put a new chain, semi-chisel. Put a new chain on it. Straight out of the box. You've seen it on film. Can't just take my word for it. You've seen it. Brand new longer chain straight out of the box. Beautiful. I forget his name. I think the rakers were high on these out of the box, but the 394's still cutting, so I mean, I just want to know how much difference it makes. It's already not lean on startup. That's come loose, I think. And I don't have nothing to tighten it up with here. No. Instant improval straight away. I mean, it helps if you turn the kill switch on. Normally I don't leave them off, so that's my fault again. Where's that scrunch I just had? I'll just leave it rolling and we'll make this one whole video. this is the last one anyway. And next Saturday, guys, is the last day of the season. So I've got to think long and hard of what I need to run before the season is finished, because I won't get to do it. Well, I can if I can come out and get some logs to take home. Right, I'm leaving it rolling. I'm going to start it, give it some revs, warm the chain up. Typically doesn't stretch, I don't think. This, or the Husky chain did, I think, on the 394. It stretched pretty much straight away. So we've been using oil, see? Is that the third time I've had to top it up since we've been starting this, the clone saw journey. Started straight away. You're not wrong, Chris. Something going on with it, eh? Load that's still too lean. Can't get to it with the bloody. Wow, the low jet in this bloody, the grommet's bent. I can't get the screwdriver in there properly. There. Smells rich now. Tension the train up a touch. Let's go, stick her in. Take the trim the screwdriver just in case. There's lots of oil around it now. Throwing oil through between the cover and stuff. Oh, see if it cooperates now with a genuine carb. Put the earplugs in. Can't get to the bloody screws. Load it. Oh, well. Definitely better, guys. Alright, I just have to go cleaner. Go a bit richer on the hydrojet. It's that one little bit. Right there, that's better. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but that's better. Now the low jets. Not real good, but I can't get onto the screw. It's a stupid angle. Oh, is that the screw? See that? Gonna start a fire from the pipe. Completely different saw now. See if I can find a slightly smaller root ball. I don't know how much fuel was left in it. I didn't put any in it. Completely different stone here. Let's go back to the log we'll use in the 08. Or maybe this one. Oh, like catfish. Rotten in the middle, I think. Alright. Very dead. She's fixed. Damn it. Should have filled the tank up. Oh well. Hatch is over there. How's it going? How'd you like that? She's fixed, I think. Could probably do with a little bit of transfer work, but I'm happy with that. So now I've got to wait and see what Sean says. I did send him a message that said this is a Chinese carb, not the OE one, that picture of the one that you sent me that's on your website. I ordered an OE carb. I expected an OE carb, so hopefully he just replies and says yes, shit, sorry, and come and pick it up or whatever. He's not far from my house, so I can go there, but I just can't do it now because I'm in a different job role. It's different. I still drive past there, but it's not like I could call in there. I probably could. Just never thought about it, to be honest, but I can't wait to watch that back. That's pretty hectic now. Might seem slow to you guys, but that's quicker than it's ever been. The breakers are high. The grind's not that good on these semi-chisel chains. There's no hook. It's got like a ski jump, so they sort of look like that. Breakers are high. I suppose if it was low, it would probably stop heaps. That could be another reason. I do have an OE cup clutch drum, same thing. From the 365, the genuine clutch is on the 52mm, I believe. But I kind of want to do this as if you build your own and run it, this is what problems are we going to address? Like, what problems are going to show up? Carb. Constantly got to tune it. Which is why I wanted the OE. I think the problem with this one is the check valve isn't in straight. Or is it? It's kind of not straight. It's sort of angled towards the cylinder. Or the intake. I think I was constantly on the screwdriver with the bum rag carb, but not as much as this. This is a heavy carb too. Not that I want to go the Chinese route. Well, a genuine one is Chinese, but it's out of the Zema factory. So you could say anything you want about Chinese stuff. It all comes from there these days. I need to piss. Oh yeah, I can't do any more. My elbow just started aching. Not that I was going to anyway. I was thinking about putting some more fuel in this 372 and having another crack, but kind of need home. I bought tickets for this event, $20 or something, so I've got to go and do it. Might do a live in the morning. Just sit there and yak. That's probably about it. Anyhow, thanks for watching. 372's sorted, I believe. I'll have to watch back, but it feels better in the hands. You can pull up pretty hard in some spots on the rear handle, and it just keeps going. So we should be. That's what I wanted. Yeah, thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one. Hooroo.